I know, right? In the last moment, glad they made it. Ay, ang tagal-tagal nila. Gosh. Grabe. Yan yung plane namin. Huh?
Aren't you happy I hustled everyone?
I don't know.
Even 5 minutes late.
Yeah, I know. Glad we made it. Iwan ko yung dalawa kung bakit wala pa sila. It's making me nervous.
They'll be tagal.
Kala ko hindi na nila.
Let's go here.
No, it's okay. We're all the same. Si Kuya nga eh. Umihi pa siguro. Oh, there's Kuya. Ay, ay, ay. Heist. Oh my gosh. I guess we're all good.
Yeah, because of me. Everyone's so...
Ay, Kuya. Ayan na, babalik na ng Minnesota.
I'm kind of happy. I like it in Iceland, but I need my American food.
Oh my world. You need to explore more. We enjoyed the food. No worries for us, except this girl.
I am hungry as we speak.
No, we even. There our airplane.
Please hold on tight and secure your belongings. We hope you enjoyed your stay and look forward to seeing you again.
We're just going around the circle. There it is.
Farþegar í sætaröðum 1-19 ganga inn fremri inngang flugvélarinnar en farþegar í sætaröðum 20-41 ganga inn aftari inngang.
Okay.
Passengers seated in rows 1-19 are kindly asked to board the aircraft by the front entrance, while passengers seated in rows 20-41 can board by the back entrance.
We're here. Baba, you are funny. Oh my world, I'm so laughing at you. Take a photo, take a photo. Kuya, baba out. Oh my word. Sige, sige. Nagre-ready na sila ng pagkain mo. Hello. Jimmy. Go then. Go. Go. Go, go. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, hurry.
He's just doing his job. Serious. He's serious.
You need to be.
Good morning and welcome aboard.
Oh yeah. Just keep
Please place smaller items underneath the seat in front of you and larger bags in the overhead. Larger electronic devices like your laptops must be stowed or pushed back either in a bag underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. They may not be stowed in your seat pocket.
I think they're supposed to do that.
And if you are seated in an exit seat, please review the exit seating responsibilities on the seat information card, which is in your seat pocket. If you're unable or prefer not to be performing these functions, please contact the flight attendant. We'll be happy to find you another seat. Thank you. Be departing shortly.
The plane is now closed. We all made it. Good job, Kuya. You got that by the window. And you got the window too. That's my seat. I always wanted to be in there, but someone's always take it. That girl. Ano daw? Someone's nagutom, kakatakbo. It's goldfish parmesan. Let me see. She found it here in Iceland. Because I never seen it anymore in the US. I used to see that a lot. The parmesan goldfish. The guy is still there.
That's Captain speaking. Our flight time this afternoon is this morning, 6:03, 6 hours and 3 minutes, which is a fairly good flight time compared to normal. The only problem is when we get to Minneapolis, they will not let us even pull into a gate until customs opens. Customs doesn't even open until 11 o'clock, so anyway, if we get there early, we won't be, so we'll have to sit waiting on a gate. Anyway, they're trying to push us here early, so it's no advantage because we're going to have to sit somewhere. Thanks a lot for flying with us today, and we look forward to getting you there as quick as we can, but not too quick because of customs. Thank you.
100 years and counting.
Delta Airlines.
The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority.
Seat to its upright position when still your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry on items secure and armrests are at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
Next, choose the deltawifi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to deltawifi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop here. Our Delta Sync feedback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information. Plus, thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations.
We're number 2 for departure. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin.